Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. I'm going to be making Irish beef stew. I found this recipe on Google, or by Googling around, and I found it. So I got a $20 chuck roast here, and I'm going to be cutting it up. I'm going to brown it in my skillet and then move the chunks of meat over to my Dutch oven. And, well, we'll get to it. Alright, so here's my chuck roast. I think I'm going to do 2 batches. Got my bowl here as well. I'm going to put flour on it, salt and flour, and then I'm going to fry it up. Try and do some nice big chunks. Salt here. Just kosher salt. I'm going to use other seasonings as well. I'm just going to be using those in the stew itself. So. Alright, gonna get this first batch cooking. Nice. Meat's cooking up nicely. Just need to get some color on it, so it's not like I need to fully cook it. Alright, I'm going to call the first batch done. A little bit more olive oil. Get the second batch rocking. Look at the nice color on that. Excellent. I'm also adding several mushrooms as well. I need to peel my garlic. Damn it. So, got some salt. Alright, those are looking good. So I'm going to use some beef stock. I'm going to use to deglaze the pan and get up all that goodness. So I don't want to waste any of it. Kill the heat. And see if I can pour this into the Dutch oven without spilling it. Use my towel. Sweet. Cleans my Dutch oven. I meant to say that will clean my cast iron pan. So it called for a cup of Guinness. So I've got a bottle here. Do a little taste test. So I'm just going to pour the whole bottle in. Got a couple of bay leaves I'm going to be adding. I got these in a Ziploc bag, but also inside of a airtight container, so try to keep air out of them. A couple of bay leaves. I might throw in a third, just for good measure. Gonna add a little bit more beef stock. So I'm gonna be adding potatoes and carrots to this as well, so I want to make sure there's enough liquid for that. Let's use the whole thing. Also called for some Worcestershire sauce, so I'm gonna add that. And I still need to get my garlic in there, but I'll just go ahead and cook that. So, alrighty. Now that we're back up to a boil, I can reduce the heat and let it simmer. Here's my garlic, which I just cooked up. A little bit of olive oil, a little bit of butter. Just sauteed it separately. Nice. Now, turn the heat down and let it just sit and simmer for probably 2 hours. Oh. Get these veggies in here. I hope I didn't cut too many, but we'll find out. And I'm gonna be eating stew for a good while. Quite a while, actually. Alright. Alright, I'm making some, the potatoes aren't quite done yet, but I'm making some yogurt biscuits to go with my stew, because I love the combo of stew and biscuits. Love it. So good. I mean, warm bread would be good too, but these biscuits are easy to make. I make them all the time. Nice. Let's get these biscuits out. Sweet. Alright, so the potatoes poke clear. It's like a little resistance, but not a lot. But I'm going to go ahead and pour myself a bowl because I'm getting hungry. Man, it smells great in here. Alright. Alright, so here's my stew. It looks and smells phenomenal. I'm actually looking forward to this one. Put black pepper on everything because that's how I roll. I already picked the bait. Come on. Dang. Weird. Let's see how tender that meat is. Oh yeah. It's almost falling apart. Oh man. That meat is so tender. Well, it's been cooking for... Camera, seriously? Seem to be having technical difficulties today. Looking at you, camera. What the hell are you doing to me? Oh. No, potatoes are fine. Man, that's good. Mmm. Just because I gotta take a bite of biscuit. I love these biscuits. Oh man. Well, I do appreciate you watching. I don't know what the camera was doing. Weird. Here's the lighting. As always, I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the end for last week's video, plus the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. I want to thank Shillite8 for keeping these going. Appreciate that, brother. And yeah, in the description we'll have some stuff too, links and whatnot. So thanks again for watching. I would recommend making this. It's pretty delicious. Look at that meat. Alright, catch you later.